Welcome to the Health and Nutrition Secrets channel, where we strive to present everything new and beneficial in the world of health and nutrition, helping you take serious steps toward a healthy and harmonious life. On this channel, we believe that the secret to good health lies not only in medications and medical treatments, but also in daily habits and proper nutrition, which significantly contribute to strengthening the immune system and preventing diseases. We are here to provide you with in-depth, well-researched information on how to improve your quality of life through appropriate nutrition and scientifically proven guidelines. At Health and Nutrition Secrets, every video is an opportunity to learn something new, whether you're looking for tips to care for your body or interested in understanding how food impacts your health. Today, we will tackle a health topic that concerns many people: irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Do you suffer from abdominal pain or changes in bowel movement patterns? If so, this video is for you. We will discuss the causes of IBS, its symptoms, and how to manage it through proper nutrition. Irritable bowel syndrome, also known as IBS, is a disorder of the intestines that causes distressing symptoms such as abdominal pain, bloating, diarrhea, or constipation. This disorder significantly affects the daily quality of life for many individuals. It results from a complex interaction between the digestive system, the nervous system, and psychological factors such as stress and anxiety. Scientists believe that the primary cause of IBS is a disruption in communication between the brain and the intestines. This disruption leads to changes in bowel movements, causing irregular contractions, and stress may exacerbate symptoms. Genetic factors also play a role in increasing the likelihood of developing this disorder, along with certain inflammatory diseases or intestinal infections that may impact the colon. Other factors that may increase the risk of IBS include consuming foods that are heavy on the stomach, such as fatty or spicy foods. Regarding nutrition, certain foods may trigger IBS and worsen its symptoms. These include fatty foods such as fast food and fried items, which put significant strain on the digestive system. Fatty foods like fried burgers, French fries, and greasy pastries can increase colon pressure, leading to intestinal cramps and heartburn. Fats take longer to digest, causing the digestive system to work slower and increasing the feeling of bloating. Foods containing insoluble fiber, such as fruits and vegetables with rough fibers, which may increase bloating. Insoluble fibers found in some fruits and vegetables like apples and berries can irritate the intestines and increase bloating for IBS sufferers. These fibers do not absorb water well, complicating digestion and causing gas. Dairy products such as milk and cheese, which may be hard to digest for people with lactose intolerance. Lactose, the natural sugar in milk, can cause digestive issues for those who cannot tolerate it. This occurs due to a deficiency of the enzyme that helps digest lactose in the intestines, leading to gas and diarrhea. Carbonated drinks and caffeine. These beverages may increase abdominal bloating and intestinal cramps. Carbonated drinks contain carbon dioxide, which can lead to gas formation in the intestines and increased bloating. Caffeine in coffee and tea stimulates the colon, potentially irritating the intestines and worsening symptoms like cramps. Foods high in sugar and preservatives, such as candies and artificially sweetened drinks, may disrupt digestion. Sugars, especially processed ones like sucrose or high fructose corn syrup, can cause intestinal inflammation and increase gas and bloating. Additionally, preservatives in food can negatively affect colon health. Legumes such as beans and lentils may cause gas and bloating. Legumes are high in fibers that are hard to digest completely. They also contain compounds that contribute to the formation of intestinal gases, leading to bloating and discomfort. However, don't worry, proper nutrition can help alleviate symptoms. Fortunately, some foods can help reduce IBS symptoms and improve digestive health. These include foods rich in soluble fiber such as oats, bananas, and carrots, which help regulate bowel movements. Soluble fibers in foods like oats, apples, and bananas absorb water, facilitating bowel movements. These foods promote digestive health and help regulate bowel activity. Probiotic yogurt contains beneficial bacteria that help restore balance in the digestive system. Beneficial bacteria in yogurt, like lactobacillus, can improve gut health by balancing good and bad bacteria. This helps reduce symptoms associated with IBS. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids such as fatty fish, salmon, tuna, which have anti-inflammatory properties that help soothe the colon. Omega-3 fatty acids, abundant in fatty fish like salmon and tuna, have anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce irritation in the intestines. These acids improve gut health and alleviate IBS symptoms. Natural herbs such as ginger and mint, traditionally used to calm the digestive system and relieve gas and bloating. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties and aids digestion, helping calm the stomach and reduce gas. Mint has proven effective in soothing irritated intestines and reducing bloating. In conclusion, we emphasize that proper nutrition plays a vital role in managing IBS. By avoiding foods that irritate the colon and focusing on foods that support digestive health, you can significantly improve your quality of life. If you feel your symptoms are unbearable, don't hesitate to consult a specialist for appropriate treatment. At Health and Nutrition Secrets, we always strive to provide the best tips for balanced nutrition and better health. Stay tuned for more videos highlighting other health topics and ways to care for your body and mind through nutrition and healthy lifestyle habits. Thank you for watching, and we wish you continued health and wellness.